Raffles University was established by an act of legislature, namely Raffles University Act Nimrana, in the year 2011. The sponsoring body is Comber Education Foundation, which is a trust registered under the Indian Trust Act 1882. The trust was founded by a visionary and a philanthropist, late Shri Vinod Kumar Gombar, who was himself a Harvard Business School alumnus and who knew the hardship and importance of education out of his own life experience. As a UGC approved university, the university offers all graduate, postgraduate and doctoral courses run in all the disciplines by the university. Initially, the university started by 3 disciplines: law, management, engineering and technology, whereafter it started School of Applied Sciences and also School of Humanities and Social Sciences. Whereafter, last year, it started after taking the statutory clearances from the authorities. The School of Agriculture and School of Pharmaceuticals were started. In law, the university offers 5 years BA, BBA, LLB programs along with a 3 years LLB degree, as also LLM and doctorate programs. In all the other disciplines also, certificate and diploma courses are also offered. Our university is different from other universities in Rajasthan for a number of reasons. Firstly, the university is based on a Gurukula concept, whereby the students move away from the rough and tumble existence to the quieter environment of University in Nimrana, which is at a detached location. This ambience enables the students to have a stronger bond with the pupil and teacher, and ensuring greater attention to the instruction and education as well, free of distractions and impediments. The second reason I will say that the Raffles University is different from the other universities in Rajasthan is because it is dedicated to provide the students with an excellent education embedded in humanistic traditions and values. It is true to the ideology of its founder, and it is dedicated also to instill in them the ethical values, substantive knowledge and practical skills they need to become meaningful members of the society. The third reason I will say is that the great emphasis is laid on the soft skills, which is sought after by all the international companies and new generation of employers. The ability to speak and write in English, in crisp English, logical, ordered paragraphs, and to work in team, as also to grasp aspects of leadership and communication skills is ensured at all levels. The fourth reason as to why this is different from other universities in Rajasthan is that its location. The university is fortunate to be located in Japanese industrial zone in Nimrana, which is evolving as a nodal junction in view of the upcoming Delhi-Mumbai industrial and freight corridor. Our engineering and management students are at an advantage to gain a first-hand experience regarding the work of industries employing the latest technologies, and as also the enormous complexities involved in the business and industry of that magnitude. Our students of law are also at an advantage because firstly, because of the traditional rural yet increasingly urban profile of Nimrana, a phenomena which comprises a wide spectrum of legal issues and litigation in the microcosm of justice delivery system. Secondly, because of its proximity to Delhi, Jaipur and Gurgaon, it helps the students of law to interact and interact with top-notch legal fraternity and gain knowledge from them. The fifth and the last reason as to why I say this is different from other universities in Rajasthan is our work culture the curriculum and pedagogy of global standards at each level. Besides that, the state-of-art physical infrastructure with pollution-free green environment is another reason which makes it different from other universities in Rajasthan. The future plans is the expansion of the university in terms of opening new disciplines like hospitality, media and communication, education, paramedical sciences, design, technology and tourism, etc. Then accelerating the association with our foreign intellectual partners and make our university as one of the best private universities in the country and place it on global map. Personally, I do have the ambition and obligation to fulfill the dreams of my late husband, who was the founder of this university as well. As regards the placement assistance, we have an industry institute partnership cell which takes care of all placements and training needs of the children, and the cell is professionally managed. As I said earlier, our students do have the opportunity to get the first-hand and excellent internships and placements in the industries around us because of our location in the Japanese zone. The track record shows that our students are placed in excellent industries, firms and government departments. However, notwithstanding the fact that training, internship and placement activities are inseparable attributes of the university, we believe in bringing out the job providers instead of job seekers. Recently, 10 of our law students of final year passed preliminary Rajasthan Judicial Service exam. The USP of our university, I would say, is that the meticulous planning, the prompt delivery and objective follow-up with student-centric approach with a special emphasis to inculcate basic values of life and education. My message for the viewing students is that the conduct and character are the hallmark of the success. Be free to have dreams, pragmatic in setting your goals, persistent in maintaining the spirit, strong in commitment and industrious ever. Be polite and humble towards all around you and be a proud son, a proud daughter of your parents, a proud student of your teachers and a proud alumni of the institution. Believe always that scientia est potentia. It means knowledge is power. That is our Dhyaya Vakya.